Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can save your playlist in the VLC media player on your device. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do in the first step, guys, is navigate to the VLC media player and add multiple files to a playlist. So if you don't know how to do that, navigate to media in the top left, select open multiple files, then navigate to file here and click into plus add. And then you will get asked to navigate to the given video files on your device to add them to your list here, to your playlist, right? So as you can see, I added these two to this playlist. Then you may click into play, and then the given video clips will be added to your playlist so that you may play them or skip to the next one by clicking into this button. Now, how can you save these on your device? Again, click into media on the top left, and then you will see this option, save playlist to file. You may also use the shortcut Control Y. And then again, what you want to do is give your playlist a name here, select the file type below, like for example, I will go with this playlist, or you can also go with this or any of these file types. Click into save here in the bottom right to save the given playlist in the location on your device. That's how it works, guys, so that you may open that playlist later as a file and play your playlist here on VLC. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.